This is a video to show you how to change the door lock actuator on the Range Rover Evoque. This is the passenger side back door. The car is locked. Doesn't open. Okay, you need to take out this little cover. Another cover here and under the door handle. Another one in here. That's a star screw and 2 Torx, so take out those 3 screws. Okay, after you've taken out these 3 screws, you need to get something in here, like a strong paint scraper I used, and give this a good hard tug. Just pulls off. Pull it off right round, and on the top just pulls towards it. Okay, in the back, this should be sitting in like that. Pull that out, and then your little plug here, and the speaker. Pull it out, and then another plug underneath. And that's the door panel off. Next thing, pull these off and remove all these screws right around and disconnect this wire out of that module. Okay, that's all the screws removed. These can come off with a trim tool. Unplug the module, unplug the speaker, and then this will just pull off. And this will sort of feed through. And this will pull it up. Okay, this is your actuator. It's handy to take the plug off now before you loosen it. Take the plug off. Take out these 3 screws. And there's a little grommet here. That's going to have to come out as well. Okay, you've loosened these 3 bolts. Screws. Your actuator is sitting loose. The little grommet you took out earlier is a T25 Torx. As you loosen this, this allows this to come out. Don't let the screw come completely out or it'll fall down into the door. Take this completely out, it's easier. And that will allow this also to drop down. Then in here, just there, if you can feed that down along with the lock past this rail, feed it all down, pull this reel out, Make yourself room. There's a screw here you loosen to allow this wheel to move. It's a bit fiddly, just pull it all down and then everything should come out. Okay, the next part, this shouldn't come apart, but if it does, it just pushes in like that. Okay, this is your lock and handle out. Take this cable off. You need to pull these out. Be careful, you don't break them. Turn this round to about that angle. It comes out. This comes off the same way. These two little tabs pull out. This turns around.